Hi everyone. Okay, we are in my bathroom again. Now, shh, my wife doesn't know that we're in here. I kind of promised her after we did the toilet math 2 weeks ago that we wouldn't come back into this space. Well, for today, we need to be here, and I'll explain in a second. Yesterday, let's back it up. Yesterday, we had the problem that we had 9/16. 9/16 is what the recipe called for. 9/16 of a cup. And all of our cup measurements only go quarters and thirds. Nobody does 16ths. So how do you do it? And I'm not sure how the recipe was hoping that you would do it. I can't find any cup measurements that are 16ths of a cup. Now, there is the way that we talked about yesterday. You could do 9 tablespoons or 27 teaspoons, but let's assume we wanted to use some kind of measurement of cups like the recipe says to do. It was in cups, not teaspoons or tablespoons. So the only way that I could think of, and I'm really still looking for a better way, was what if you doubled the recipe? So instead of 9, we went to 18. Now, I do have to establish one ground rule. Let's assume that we can take any amount and cut it in half. How do we do that? You get 2 equal containers, 2 identical containers that are clear, and you take any liquid, pour it in the 2 till they're perfectly even. So let's assume we can cut anything in half. So knowing that, double the recipe, 18. Now, fill this up to a cup, that's 16/16, right? Pour that into a bowl or a cup or something, right? We got that, we got 16/16. Then pour it up to a quarter, right? A quarter, which is twice what we now need, right? That would be, that's a quarter. That's 4/16. We need 2 more 16ths to get to 18. Take that with the container, cut it in half. Boom. Now we have exactly 18. What do we do with the 18? Same exact thing. Take the 18 into a container till you got it perfectly even, and they're both 9/16. Now, what do you do with that? Well, one of them, don't want anybody to see you do it, but pour it back into, I think this was coconut oil. So pour it back into the original container, and the other one is ready to be mixed into whatever it is that you're making. I think these, what was it, Catherine?
Chocolate-covered caramels.
Chocolate-covered caramels, right. Okay, so fantastic. All right, today's problem. So I was coming upstairs today, and I had a bunch of things to bring up to the bathroom that my wife had just purchased. And she had gotten, she just was at BJ's, and this is a 10-pack. Wow, a 10-pack of toothbrushes. And I came up here to put it in our toothbrushes. This is where we have our toothbrushes and toothpaste. And I went in here to put it in, and I went, what on earth? Like, are we hoarding toothbrushes? Are you kidding me? Did I get them? What did I just get them? Oh, and one more. Nope. Look at that. So, got me thinking, holy cow. Like we have, I think we got them all now. You don't want me to get started on toothpaste. We got tons of, that might be another problem for another day. Okay, now, we have a lot of toothbrushes here. And some of these crack me up. I mean, this one has been taken out of. And this one has been taken out of. Like we didn't even realize. Okay, anyway, we got a bundle of toothbrushes here. And what I wanted to know was, how long does a toothbrush last you? And, oh, here we go. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. Every 3 months. Just make sure we're consistent on that. Change it every 3 months. So that must be the standard. Dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush every 3 months. So it must be like American Dental Association. Yep, everyone agrees. 3 months, 3 months. Everybody agrees it's 3 months. So 3 months it is. So a toothbrush lasts 3 months. And we have, now let's count it. There's 10, another 8. Oh no, there's only 7 in there, 1's missing. So that's 17, another 7, because 1's missing. 17, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. We have 35 toothbrushes right here. I'm afraid to look in the other drawers and find more toothbrushes. Let's say we have 30, well, we have 35. 35 toothbrushes. Each toothbrush lasts 3 months. Assuming I'm going to start using one of these, how long will 35 toothbrushes last me, according to the American Dental Association? So figure that out. And then, it's going to be a long time. But let's pick a second problem. The Rogoyski household has 5 members to it. Let's say we all brush our teeth and change our toothbrush every 3 months. How long will 35 toothbrushes last the whole family? There's your problem. Rogoyski out!